viewers, this is Ansār Idrīsi. Today I'll be talking about practice in English. Now most of the people, they have been asking me that how shall I improve my English? How shall I get my communication up to the mark? Now I would like to tell you that only one thing that can make your English much more better than this one, as you are now on the stage, and that's what? Practice. If you are going to practice at home, if you're going to practice in your public as well, it is going to give you some great command on English language or any other language you are speaking, or you are just trying to speak up or to practicing at home. Now I'd like to tell you one more thing is that now I have two plants with me. As you can see there, this plant is there on the right side and another plant is on the left side. Both the plants I've got together for planting. But the moment I got to know today, I saw them and I was pondering about them. And I saw there that one of the plant, it was going down completely and it was about to spoil and destroy the soil as well. And another plant was there which was just growing amazingly. I got to know later that this plant has been watered very, very less. And this plant has been watered at amazing at a certain period of time. Now I'd like to tell you one more thing is that if you are practicing daily at home, so you'll be like this plant. Means it will be green as grass. It is the same thing, and if you are already practiced at home, so it will be as dead as a doornail. Remember this. Now if you are practicing daily at home, it will give you great chance of learning a language and to speaking in the public as well. Apart from this one is that if you are not practicing, practice means what? You are going to do three things only. The three basic elements of practicing. I'm not telling you to practice the whole day. I'm not telling you to practice the whole day of your working. I'm not telling you to practice directly on Sunday for 10 hours. You are going to practice daily 5 to 10 minutes. That's it. And yeah, that 5 to 10 minutes are going to boost up your language. For example, if you are practicing at home, I'll tell you the greatest schedule that you can practice there. For example, you can practice in the morning for reading. In the morning we have fresh air, so you can just start reading in the morning. If you are reading in the morning 5 to 10 minutes at least, 10 to 15 minutes maximum, don't read for an hour. Don't read for multiple couple of hours. You have to read only 5 to 10 minutes. That's it. And whatever you have read in the morning, try to grab the words, grab those sentences over there and try to make sentences more and more and try to speak with those things with the people as well. For example, I would like to tell you is that now in the morning we have learned something about practice, something about yoga, something about vipassana, something about some other theories as well, you can say. Anything you have read in the morning, you can talk those things with your friends, with your colleagues. At least you can share your own ideas, whatever you have read in the morning. And that's what. Reading part in the morning, and then next, you can do some listening at night before going to sleep. You can do listening at night before going to sleep. And speaking is what the spam of speaking in the whole day whenever you get time. So you can speak up with your friends, with your relatives, with your acquaintances, or many other people as well you have seen. So you can just go with this theory. So point number one, which I've shown you, reading in the morning for 10 to 15 minutes. Next one, listening comes at night. Listening is the another part of reading. There, whatever you are reading, you can listen to those things as well. For example, you might have seen audiobooks on the internet. The book which you're reading in the morning, you can have the audiobook of that, and you can just listen to that audiobook at night before going to sleep. 10 to 15 minutes, that's it. As you're going to listen, those are the things that are going to hammer in your mind, in your brain. And it will be hammering again and again, and you are going to learn something great from there, I believe so. So early morning when you're going to wake up and whatever you have listened the last night, it is going to hammer your brain. And you are going to speak on behalf of that. Now the next thing comes, that is speaking. Speaking is what the whole time of your day, the whole span of your day, you can speak up there at least 2, 5, 10, 15 sentences with your friends, with your acquaintances, or if you can't speak at least, you can do one thing. If you want to boost up your confidence level and if you want to wipe up your nervousness level at the basic position, then you can write an article on those things whatever you have learned recently and try to post it on the internet. It is so simple that you are being on stage offline. Literally means what? You are posting on your LinkedIn, you're posting on your Instagram, you're posting on your Facebook and the other platforms as well. Means ultimately you are talking to the people. And one day, believe me that the day will come when you are going to interact with people directly. And apart from this one, the last golden tip I would like to give you is that you can face the camera. Because if you are facing the camera, means you are going to learn and earn handsome. So this is what, if you have any questions, queries, you can put it into the comment box and keep us following us, keep us liking our videos and keep sharing with your friends as well. And if you have any questions, you can reach us by our mail. So we are going to serve you in a better way. Thank you.